The time has come to upgrade your existing combo smoke and CO alarm, and you've decided to install a new SC5 smart alarm. As you start to remove the old alarm, you realize it's not a first alert device. Rewiring a harness to fit the SC5 alarm would be a considerable amount of work and may even require an electrician. But did you know you can avoid rewiring by using the adapter plug to install the SC5 alarm? In this video, I'll show you how using an adapter plug allows you to easily swap out your existing NES, Kidde, or Firex alarm with your new SC5 hardwire smart smoke and carbon monoxide alarm. Let's get started. First, let's remove the old alarm. In this video, we will remove a Kidde unit. Refer to the specific user manual for your Kidde alarm for instructions on how to remove the device. Next, unplug the wiring harness by squeezing the tabs and pulling it apart. Then, unscrew the old alarm's mounting plate. Inside the SC5 box, you'll find the alarm, a mounting bracket, screws, a wiring harness, and one Nest adapter plug. Adapter plugs for Kidde and Firex alarms can be purchased separately. These adapters allow you to plug your new First Alert alarm directly into your existing wiring. No electrician, no rewiring, just click and go. Now it's time to mount and install the SC5. Line up the SC5 mounting plate with the existing holes on the wall or ceiling and screw it into place. For complete instructions, refer to the user manual or the video Mount and Install a First Alert SC5 Hardwired Smart Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm. Next, grab the adapter for Kidde wiring. Confirm the prongs on the adapter match the wiring harness. Plug the Kidde side of the adapter into the existing harness and then connect the SC5 alarm to the other end. It'll click right into place. Continue mounting the alarm onto the mounting plate. Once it's plugged in and mounted, the SC5 alarm should power up automatically. To complete device setup, refer to the video Set up and connect the SC5 Smart Smoke and Carbon Monoxide Alarm to the First Alert app and Wi-Fi. Thanks for watching this DIY tip from the pros. If you found it helpful, drop a comment and subscribe for more.